Rudra Master, Nishika, Megdad. Good morning, everyone. Once again, good morning to everyone.
Ma'am, my camera is on only.
Okay. Good morning. A very good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. We will wait 1 or 2 minutes for children to join, and after that, we'll start the class. Please mute your mic, everyone. Please be ready with your notebook and textbook. Can anyone tell me what we have done in our last class? Only raise your hand. I will call the
Ma'am.
Raise your hand. Not you have an option to raise your hand. Please raise, and then I'll call the
Ma'am, I don't have.
name. Okay.
Ma'am, I don't
Ayush
have the option.
Singania.
Please.
Addition and subtraction of weights.
Okay. Vihan Patel. What
Ma'am,
you have done in addition and subtraction of weight?
Ma'am, we have done the addition and subtraction of weights, and we have done the activity of weighing scale also.
In last class, yes. Next,
Ma'am, I made the weighing scale.
yes. Now Prisha will tell me. Prisha, can you please sit somewhere in the light area because you are still visible dark. Prisha, can you please explain us these addition and subtraction of weight, how you are going to apply it on the real life?
Ma'am, I can apply the addition and subtraction of weight when we go out to buy vegetables.
Your voice is not clearly.
Ma'am.
Just a minute. Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Okay.
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Prisha, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, yes. We can use the kilograms and grams by weighing it on a weighing scale of vegetables and fruits when we go to buy it.
But my question was where you are going to use the addition and subtraction of weights in your daily life. Migdad. My same question is from you.
Ma'am, can I?
No, only Migdad will answer.
Ma'am, can I?
Of weight in daily life when we are weighting something like vegetables, fruits.
But where is the use of addition and subtraction?
When we are buying something,
Mm-hmm.
we want the amount of weight, so we have to weight it that we want this much and this is this much. So we
Okay,
have to
mute your mic. Lamha, please explain me where is the use of addition and subtraction of weights in your daily life?
Ma'am, buying vegetables, household items,
No,
and
but how you will use the addition and subtraction there when you are buying the vegetables?
with the weighing scale.
With the weighing scale, there is no need to add and subtract. There is just the measurement, which is heavy and which is light, and how much is the weight.
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, can I say?
Wait a
Ma'am,
minute.
can I say, Anushka?
Wait.
Ma'am,
Where you are going to use the addition and subtraction?
Yes, ma'am. Can I say?
Yes, Rudra, please.
Ma'am, I'm
Ma'am.
Anushka. Can I say?
Anushka, wait. Yes, Rudra.
Ma'am, like if we go to market to buy any vegetable,
Hmm.
and the 1 kilo vegetable is 200 rupees,
Hmm.
and I want to buy 200 kg.
Mm-hmm.
So who's selling vegetable seller is
Mm-hmm.
asking me to give
Samriddhi, stop presenting, please. Samriddhi. Hmm.
a vegetable seller is asking to give 425, and at
Hmm.
their way to subtract that, uh, 1 kg is only 200, means 200. So
Hmm.
if we buy two, it should be
Hmm.
400.
So what
And
you are doing? Are you adding here?
yes, ma'am, adding, sorry. We add 200 plus 200. So we have to give
Hmm.
only 200, not 25
What is
rupees.
the another way of finding the addition? The way you have done, like 200 plus 200, the 400 will be the price of 2 kg.
Yes.
And in short way, which is the another method of finding this?
Multiplication.
Yes. Why multiplication? Because multiplication is a repeated
Multiplication is a repeated addition.
addition. Either you add it two times or you multiply the same number with the two.
Ma'am,
Means you
Can I
can
are
I say now?
with the word
just a
problem?
minute. Just a minute. So, we are going to learn the word problems, the real life situation problems on the basis of addition and subtraction and multiplication and division of weights. So, where you will apply. You can, Anushka, can you please give me one example?
Of multiplication.
Any operation.
Okay, ma'am. So I
Hmm.
went to a vegetable shop and I and I buy some potatoes of 2 kg 500 grams, some
Hmm.
onions of
Start writing
of
also. You please write also so that you can tell
okay,
me the
ma'am.
final answer
1 minute.
also.
1 minute.
Hmm. Write in the chat box so that everyone should know.
Yes, ma'am.
Write in the
So
chat box.
1 minute, ma'am.
Can I explain my word problem?
Wait a minute.
I
Children, be
went to a
ready with your one word problem with any operation, and you have to explain me that this way we are going to use this operation in the weights. Yes,
So
please.
there at the vegetable shop, I buy
Hmm.
2 kg,
Hmm. You
2
only write the
kg.
numbers and
Yes, ma'am.
rest the story you have to explain me
Yes,
verbally.
ma'am. And 500, 2 kg, 500 grams of potato. Then I buy uh, some onions of 1 kg,
Hmm.
1 kg, 250 grams.
Hmm.
And then I buy some garlic of 5 kg.
Hmm. Children, please
No, ma'am.
start framing one word problem and start writing in the chat box.
Kg,
And we have to give the
5
answer with this.
kg,
Yes, with the answer also.
uh, 5 kg and nothing in the grams.
Hmm.
So we put 3. So ma'am, now we have to take out the total amount of the total weight of the things
Hmm.
we bought.
Yes.
So
So
we
can you?
start.
You have not still given the question in the chat box. So I'm waiting for that.
Yes, ma'am, I'm writing it just.
Okay. And please write the answer also along with this. Please start framing one word problem based on any operation using the weights.
Ma'am, we have to write in chat box.
Yes. And children, in word problem, it is compulsory to write the statement also. When it is being asked from you this word problems in the exams, in that case, if you miss this statement, you will only score half marks. If it is of 2 marks, you will only score 1 mark. Your 1 mark will be deducted for your statement if you not write the statement. So it is compulsory to write the statement for your question also. for your weights word problem also. So please write statement, then solve it, and then write the answer. Vivan has written, if I have, Vivan, we are discussing here weight. We are not discussing here the number of things. Prisha is writing, I went to a vegetable seller. I bought 2 kg chili and 568 gram. I wanted to buy onion also, 5 kg 678. We have to plus and get the answer because you need the total, right? Yeah, then in that case, you will do plus.
Addition.
Yeah, and can you give me one example of subtraction also where you have to subtract?
Yes, ma'am. I am writing.
Okay. Anushka has written 2 kg 500 gram, 1 kg 250 gram, and 5 kg. So it is yes. But this is the addition word problem. Can you please make the word problems on different operations where you can multiply,
Ma'am,
where
this
you
was,
can.
ma'am, this was the answer of the word problem that I explained you.
Yes, I got it. Children, please frame it on multiplication also. Please start framing word problem on multiplication also, on division also, and on addition, subtraction. Yes, Priya has written, I went to buy potatoes. 1 potato is 100 grams. Then how much weight will be of dozen of potatoes? Okay. So how you will find out? Priya, can you tell me the answer?
Multiplication. Multiplication.
Yeah, can you please tell me answer? What will be the weight of 1 dozen potatoes? How many in 1 dozen, Priya?
1 kg, 200 grams, but
Will be the weight of how many potatoes?
12 potatoes.
Very good. In 1 dozen, how many objects or how many things you will get?
12.
Good. Next, very good, Freya. Nice question. Next, other children also frame, please. Please start. I'm expecting from everyone has to frame one question on any of the operations. Prisha has written, Meena had 80 rupees. And of 80 rupees, we can take 3 kg potato and it was weighing 6 kg 78 potato. So we will have to subtract. What you are trying to explain me, Prisha, can you please tell me?
Yes, ma'am. Meena had 80 rupees of potatoes and of 80 rupees a vegetable seller told that we can only take 3 kg potatoes from this rupees. So the weight when the vegetable seller put it on the weighing scale, it was weighing 3 kg 786 grams of
So what
potatoes.
will be the answer when you
Ma'am,
subtract? What will be the weight of other vegetables out of the total vegetables? Out of 6 kg 786 grams total vegetables, the 3 kg weight is of potatoes, right?
3 kg 786
And
grams
can you
will be
read
more.
mine?
Okay, will be of the other vegetable weight, right? Good.
Ma'am, see mine.
Yes, Vivan. Vivan has written, if I have 10 kg of carrots, if I give 5 kg of to the dhyan, how many kg of carrots I will have? Good, 5 kg. Please use grams and kilograms also so that you can easily, you will learn how to subtract in kilogram and gram, how to add in kilogram and gram. Everyone has to write. Thalia, Rudra, please. Lamha, start writing. Khevna, Yug, Bharia, please write.
Ma'am, I'm doing addition in the word problems. Ma'am, I'm writing the addition.
Yeah, please. I'm waiting for everyone. I can see here 43 students are here. Anvi, Anushka, Ayush. Please start. Ekansh, Farzan, Priya, Khush, Nick, Nishika. Everyone has to frame one word problem and write in the chat box.
Ma'am, which word problem, division or multiplication?
Any operation, or you all know what are operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Any operation.
Okay.
These are the operation of mathematics. So you can apply any method and start solving that, whether it is of addition, whether it is of subtraction, any. Samriddhi has written, I went to a cupcake seller. I bought 4 kg sugar, 9 kg wheat. Wheat spelling is wrong, and 10 kg chocolate. Now I will plus and get the answer, total weight. Okay. Please use kilogram and gram also, so that you will learn how to add and subtract in kilogram and gram. Ayansh has written, I went to vegetable seller. I bought 2 kg of tomato and 2 kg of 4 kg. It's very simple. Use big digits, 2 or 3 digit numbers.
Excuse me, ma'am. By mistakenly, I have written that.
Why mistake you have?
It went. I was changing the question little, so and by
No
mistake.
worries. Okay, no problem. Children, meantime, you please write the word problems in the chat box, and I am going to show you one video on addition and subtraction of the word problems and multiplication.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can I see the word problem?
can I? After this.
After Ayush, can I explain my word problem?
Yeah, first let me show you something.
Subtraction of grams and kilograms. Addition and
Mute your
subtraction
mic.
of grams and kilograms with Mary and her dad at the supermarket.
Mary, we have to buy 15 kilograms, 200 grams of rice and 28 kilograms, 75 grams of wheat. Do you remember how to find the total weight of the rice and wheat we just bought?
Yes, it is very simple. We have to find the total with the help of the rules of addition. And we should always add the grams to the grams and the kilograms to the kilograms, like this.
So 0 plus 5 is 5. First we add the grams. 0 plus 7 is 7. When we add 0 to any number, the same number will be the answer. 2 plus 0 is 2. Then 5 plus 8 is what? Children, 5 plus 8 is what?
14.
14.
Yeah.
13.
Check.
13. Sorry, 13.
13, 3,
So what will come here under?
3 plus 1, 4.
What will come here under 1 is
3.
3.
3
And what will go carry over?
1 will
One.
carry over.
Yeah. Then what will be on the 10th place?
43. Ma'am, it will be the answer 43 kg and 275 grams.
Yes. (43 kg, 275 grams).
Perfect. We bought 43 kilograms, 275 grams of grains in all.
So, now do we have to buy anything else?
Yes, dear. We have to buy some corn and groundnuts.
Ah, they are there.
Let's buy them. We bought 38 kilograms, 789 grams of corn and 18 kilograms, 256 grams of groundnuts.
Ma'am, it's
Now,
echoing.
can you tell me how much more corn did we buy than groundnuts?
Ma'am, the
In
voice
this
is
case, what we will do?
Subtraction.
Because
Subtract.
it's asking how much
Ma'am,
more.
we will do subtraction.
Tone.
Yeah, in this question they are asking, how much more corn did they buy than groundnuts? Means corn जो है वो कितने ज्यादा लिए groundnuts से compare. So we will do what in this case? Children, please answer.
Ma'am, we have
Subtraction.
subtraction.
Yes.
How much more corn did we buy than groundnuts?
To get the answer, we need to subtract the numbers. We should subtract the grams from the grams and the kilograms from the kilograms, like this.
3,350.
Yes. Please start solving this.
Ma'am,
8
the
minus
answer
5.
will be. Ma'am, the answer will be 20 kg, 533 grams.
Yes. Let everyone also solve this and see the answer. Check the answer is right or not. Twenty kg.
Ma'am, it's right.
20 kg.
20 kg,
53 gram.
533 grams. So corn is 20 kg, 533 grams more than the groundnut. So they bought 20 kg, 533 gram more corn than groundnut.
More corn than groundnuts.
Wonderful. Come on, Mary.
Ma'am, please.
Yes, Lakshya?
Ma'am, which
Hello,
you
ma'am.
present are not right.
No, that is not for writing, just to understand.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, Anushka?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
at the
see,
end of,
ma'am.
end of the class, can I show you my weighing scale at the end of the class? I've made it
Yes,
again.
yes. After the class, at the end of the class. Ekansh, I can see you are writing something, 24 folders, each is 56. We are learning here only with the word problems related to the weight. Ekansh, are you listening me?
Ma'am, can I explain of mine?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, can I explain my law?
I will call those who are writing. I will call their names and tell them to explain.
Ma'am, my
Yes, please,
first one.
Marinika.
Ma'am, my first one is I went to a toy shop to buy a
Mhm.
game for my cousins. I buy total 8 games for my cousins and each game purchased 200. So how will be the total?
My dear, this is not related to the, I think, not related to kilogram and gram. We are learning with the related to weights only.
Okay, ma'am.
Right now, I know that you all know the operations and you can apply it on the real life, but right now we are relating it with a kilogram and gram only. So make the word problems on the basis of this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Can I tell mine? I explain mine.
Yeah, Rudra, please explain.
Ma'am, so I and my friends were gone to buy some toys.
Mm.
I bought 2 kg, 501 gram, and
Mm.
my friend bought 3 kg, 500 gram.
The
So
weight
who
of
bought
your toy and your friend's toy is this, right?
yes. So
Okay.
who bought more and by
Mm.
how much?
Very good.
My friend bought more by
Mm.
me
Mm.
and 1 kg, 101 gram more than me. I
How
have
you
done
have
this.
find out? Can you please explain?
Yes, ma'am, I'm telling that only. I have
Mm-hmm.
subtracted
Mm-hmm.
200 kg, 501 gram from 3 kg, 400 gram.
Okay. So your was 3 kg.
got 2 kg, 1 kg, and 450 grams. 50 grams is a total. Okay.
Anyone?
Yeah, am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is my correct
No, I need to
problem?
explain you. You just check that your toy weight was 3 kg, yes? 3 kg 400 grams.
No, ma'am. Uh, I bought 2 kg 501 gram, and my friend bought 3 kg 400
So
gram.
3 kg 400 gram will come first, right? Because this is the bigger number.
Yes.
And then 2 kg 501 gram will come. Okay?
2 kg.
501 gram. So from 0 to subtract 1, it is not possible. So how you will subtract it? Rudra, can I tell you what mistake you have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you
I know what.
Yeah, have you noticed what you have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you solve it
did
and
not
write the answer again?
Yes, ma'am. I solve and say you the
Yeah,
answer.
please remember it, please children. kg के साथ जो ग्राम है वही जाएगा only. We have to compare the kg कौन सा bigger है वो ऊपर आना चाहिए because here Rudra what he has done उसने 3 kg के साथ अपना 501 ग्राम ले लिया which was with the 2 kg के साथ था वो ग्राम. बस जिसके साथ जो किलोग्राम एंड ग्राम है वही जाएगा pairs में and after that you will subtract. Please do not do the same mistake which Rudra has done. Understood, children, what he has done?
Yes.
Okay. Go to the next. Riddhi has written, if I had 40 kg 23 grams oranges and 13 gram lime, but I don't want lime. So what you will do? Can you please explain, Riddhi? Riddhi, if you don't want lime,
So I will do subtraction.
no, but you don't want lime means what? This sentence is not complete sentence. What you will do this lime? What are you going to give to someone?
Yeah, I will give it someone, but then how much gram how much gram will it left for me?
See, you were having 40 kg 23 gram oranges, right? And 37 kg 13 gram lime.
Yes.
Out of these two things, what are you going to do with these two things?
I will not buy lime.
Okay, if you will not buy lime, then you will have only the weight of oranges.
Yes.
Okay. Have you understood this? But if somebody asks you what is the weight of your all the vegetables and fruits you bought, so can you find it and tell me?
Yes,
can you please find what will be the total of your vegetables?
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Rudra, wait. Riddhi, please. Okay, children, now I am going to give you some word problems. Please write it in your notebook and solve it.
Ma'am.
Renu ma'am, can you check my word problem?
36 grams.
Wait a minute. Riddhi?
Ma'am, in notebook you have to show the method or directly write the answer.
See, can you all see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what problems related to this? Dinu purchased 38 kg 360 gram sugar from one shop and 65 kgs, you will write 600 grams.
Ma'am, it's
Excuse
not
me, Renu.
clear properly.
Excuse me, Renu,
The
ma'am.
first one.
Ma'am, I'm there. I'm saying, can you send this in classroom so we can do from there? I'm not able to see it properly.
No, my dear, you will
Yes,
see
ma'am.
from here only. I'm going to present it clearly now. Now it is visible to you all?
Ma'am, you have written
No,
answer
ma'am.
also.
No, ma'am.
Okay. You please, I am going to dictate along with you. Please write. Dinu purchased 38 kg, 360 gram sugar. No, in your maths notebook. Dinu purchased 38 kg, 360 gram sugar from one shop and 65 kg 419 gram from another shop. Find the total quantity of sugar bought by him. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So children, are you all writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Writing.
Yeah, please write. Dinu purchased 38 kilogram, 360 gram sugar from one shop and 65 kilogram, 419 gram from another shop. Find the total quantity of sugar bought by him. In this case, what you will do? Addition and subtraction.
Ma'am,
Children,
subtraction.
Addition.
addition, you have to find the total quantity of sugar. Total word is there. In this case, you have to find the total by addition. Please do fast. You have to write the statement also.
Ma'am, can you send this after the class in classroom?
No. Please write along with me. Dinu purchased 38 kilogram, 360 gram sugar from one shop and 65 kilogram, 419 gram from another shop. Find the total quantity of sugar bought by him.
Ma'am, 65 kg and
419 gram. Find the total. Children, find the total and tell me the answer. And please write statement also. Sugar bought from one shop, sugar bought from another shop, and total quantity of sugar.
Ma'am, the answer will be 3 kg 779 grams.
Yes.
And we have to do this in notebook.
Migdad, yes.
Ma'am, from another from another shop and 65 kg and how many grams I can't see.
419 gram. Please write fast, children.
Ma'am,
Are you done with the first one?
No, ma'am.
no, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Please do fast.
Done, ma'am.
Children, when you are adding, you can write any of the numbers first, whether it is big or a small. But when you are subtracting, please remember the bigger number will come first.
First.
Yes, and उसके साथ जो gram है, whether it is a small or not, we only compare the kilograms. We will not compare with the grams.
And we have to write statement also.
Which child is this?
Kahan.
Kahan, in the beginning only I told you in word problems, it is compulsory to write statement.
Ma'am, which word problem we have to write?
Which child is this?
Ayush.
Ayush Singhania.
Yes.
Ayush, it is already there on the screen.
Ma'am, does Dinu purchase 38 kg one?
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is after he bought black? I don't see the number of kg.
Ma'am, I don't see sugar bought from
From one shop is 38 kg, 360 gram, and
Ma'am, of second.
65 kg, 419 gram.
Ma'am, what is in second he bought? What is the number? I can't see
Second
because
question. Second
in this-
question.
Yes, ma'am.
Let
He
everyone complete first one.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what we have to write in notebook?
Which child is this?
what
Why
problems
this
we have
Alia?
to write.
Who is asking what we have to write?
Vaidi Salia.
वेदी screen पे कुछ दिख रहा है?
Yes.
That you have to write in your notebook.
Ma'am, it's 80 kg, right?
Yes, 80 kg.
80 kg and 545 grams.
80. Next one is 80 kg. Babu is a fruit seller. He bought 80 kg, 545 grams of mangoes, 65 kg, 380 gram of apples. Find the total quantity of fruits brought by him.
Addition.
Yes. In the first one, the digits were 38 kg, 360 gram sugar, and 65 kg, 419 gram, another sugar pack. Please mute your mic, children. Mute your mic. Whose mic is on?
Ma'am, your presentation.
Yeah, wait a minute.
Vedi.
We do 2 word problems here in the class, and other word problems I'm going to send you in the classroom.
What is the sum? Babu is a fruit seller. He bought 80 kg. How much grams?
360, just a minute. 545
145, ma'am.
of mangoes and 65 kg, 380 gram of apples. Find the total quantity of fruits brought by him. In the second one also, you have to write the statement and then solve. Whose mic is on, please mute your mic.
Then can we leave?
Wait a minute. Children, you have completed?
Ma'am, I have not done.
Yes, ma'am.
Second one. No, ma'am.
Ma'am, second one.
Okay.
Second.
Those who have completed, they can please leave. Tomorrow we will do more detail on multi problems.
Ma'am, what is tomorrow?
Same word problems related with multiplication and division.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. And I'm going to send you a worksheet today.
Bye, ma'am.
Please complete and send me today. Bye. And those who are doing, they're completing, please complete these 2 word problems, only 1 and 2. Dinu purchase and Babu is a fruit seller. Only 2 word problems.
Ma'am, I'm done. Can I leave?
And will you also do these 2 word problems which we are writing today?
No, I'm not
Ma'am,
going to
I'm done.
send
Can
you
we
the
leave?
classroom.
Ma'am, because okay, I haven't wrote it because yours.
Can I explain you my word problem?
Yeah, please.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my word problem is just a minute. Yes,
Catherine,
ma'am.
ma'am, thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bye. Bye.
I'm just 2 minutes.
Ma'am, I have to ask something. He brought. Ma'am, the second one, he brought.
Just a minute. Thank you, children. Let me stop.
Ma'am, I was telling